Hi, my name is Marva Gibbs-Joe. I'm a registered respiratory therapist in the pulmonary function testing lab at Jamaica Hospital.
Hello, my name is Juliana Shell. I am a respiratory therapist as well here at Jamaica Hospital. We're here to educate you step by step how to properly take your inhalers. There's different varieties, but as long as it's an L shape, it's only one technique. We're gonna demonstrate you how to do it because the majority of the time when we have our patients here, they're really confused how to take it the right way. And if you're not doing your medication the proper way, especially those type of inhalers, you are not gonna get the full benefit of it. So we're here to demonstrate you step by step.
The first thing that you do once you receive your inhaler is you have to prime your inhaler. You're going to shake your inhaler 5 to 6 times, and you're going to press 2 puffs in the air. Now your inhaler is ready to be used. This is a spacer where we recommend all of our patients here at Jamaica Hospital to use with their inhaler. What the spacer does, it creates a tight seal around the mouthpiece, and it allows most of the medication to enter into the patient's lungs. Behind the spacer is an opening, a hole, where you'll attach your inhaler directly to your spacer. The first thing that you would do is you shake your medication about 5 to 6 times before use. Then I will tell your patient, place the inhaler in your mouth. You're going to exhale completely. Press your inhaler once, and now slowly inhale to maximum inspiration. Then you're going to count for 10 seconds. Once you get to 10 seconds, take the inhaler out of your mouth and you exhale normally. Always follow your physician's prescription. If the physician tells you to take 2 puffs, you never take the 2 puffs at the same time. For the second puff, you will repeat all the steps we just did for the second puff. Now, to clean your spacer, you're going to detach your inhaler, detach the back of the spacer. You're going to wash it in some soapy water, rinse it, let it air dry overnight. Do not dry your spacer with a paper towel.
I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for listening to us.